Good morning, students. I, Chikmat Madam, welcome you all to this accountancy class. Okay, let me continue with the next problem under non-profit organization. I hope the previous two problems you understood, because I didn't get any queries or any problems raising from you. Nobody asked any doubts. It shows that either you are understanding or you are not understanding anything. Don't know how you are studying. That is our worry nowadays, as you have to face the exam. Board exam is there. Last week only DDPU sir has visited our college and he told that board exam will be there. They are going to conduct. Okay, so they told us to prepare our students. So we do our work, our sincere efforts, and now it is your duty, your turn, how you are going to take it, and your most important year in your life, how you are going to take. Anyhow, the COVID is a world problem, not only the problem of your batch. It means yourself. It is the entire world problem. Still we have to face it, we have to fight it, and things how will be taking place, we have to accept it, right? And that's why you have to make sincere efforts to study your own, and whatever doubts anything is there, we are here to clear it. But the thing is, you should come with the doubt, you should ask us. Then you can score good marks also, even though in the COVID situation. Okay, so anyhow, next week you have midterm examination. For that, at least you have to prepare 100 marks paper you are writing at home itself, and you should be honest yourself, as we are not directly monitoring you. You are conscious, means yourself you have to monitor. ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ರೈಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇ ಆನೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ ತಿಳಿತದ ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, what you can answer, what you cannot answer, how means what is remaining for studies, everything. Yes, you have to test yourself. For that we are giving you this one platform by conducting the test. And once we complete the syllabus, and anyhow 2 topics are remaining. Okay, once we complete the syllabus, and after that whole syllabus 100 marks preparatories we go on conducting for your writing practice, right? As I told, we do our efforts and left to you how you make use of that and how you put your efforts, right? So with this I wanted to tell you, because next week only you are writing midterm exam. Okay, and here this topic is also there covered in the midterm exam. I'm going to ask one question on this 12 marks, and already by that time I will be covering more than 7 to 8 problems, right? This is third problem, and next week all the classes I take accountancy only, because business study up to directing completed, and that much is enough. And if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, let me read the problem and analyze it, and then go for the solution. Yes, I'll read the problem now. Following is the balance sheet and receipt and payment account of Sports Club Vijaypur. Which sports club? Golden Sports Club Vijaypur. Okay, and here the balance sheet means opening balance sheet is given. On the liability side, outstanding salary means last year outstanding expenses. What we should do? Less from the current year salary, less. Then pre-received subscription means received in advance. Pre-received means received in advance. Income received in advance ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? So what it is, this is first time this adjustment has come. Pre-received subscription means some subscriptions related to 2018 received in 2017. Okay, it is actually income belongs to 2018 but already received in last year only, previous year only, means to this year it is income, no? 2018 it is income but we have received it in the previous year. So but income of this year means we should add pre-received subscriptions in the opening balance sheet means income of 2018. So which we have received it in 2017. So that's why we should add it in the subscriptions. This is clear? Okay. Then capital fund as usual. It is opening capital fund 1,50,500. We should take it as a balance, opening balance for the capital fund in the balance sheet. Then comes asset side. We have cash in hand 15,500. We are not going to consider it is as it is only taken to the opening cash balance of receipt and payment account. Okay. Then sports material asset. We should take it as asset. Furniture is asset. Land and building is asset. We don't have any other adjustment except this outstanding salary and pre-received subscriptions. Okay. Then comes to receipt and payment account. See, receipt and payment account. First we will study the receipts. Subscriptions 52,000. So this year subscription we have received is 52,000 and the subscription belonging to this year we have received in previous year only, which we are going to add that 4,000 to this subscription. Okay. Then entrance fee 6,000. We'll see what is capitalized or kept as a revenue. We'll see in the adjustment. Then sale of old newspaper, it is a revenue R. Then sports fees is a revenue expenses. Okay, fees with what we have received. Then payment side, we have salary of 25,000 and which outstanding salary, last year's salary is there 7,000, which we are supposed to deduct from this 25,000. Okay. Then sports material, some sports materials we purchased on 1/10/2017 means middle of the year. They have given the date means when we are going to calculate the depreciation, this date should be mentioned. Means sports material already asset we have 35,000. See here, this 35,000 we have asset, and to this we are going to add this 18,000. Okay, and total will become 53,000. Right? Okay, 53,000 will become our sports material. But if the depreciation is asked on this, for first 35,000 we have to charge for the full year 35,000 because it was the opening balance of the sports material, and this 18,000 the depreciation we have to calculate from 1/10/2017 to 31st March 2018 means 6 months. It will become 6 months. October, November, December, January, February, March 6 ಮಂತ್ಗೆ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈ 18,000 ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಡೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. Okay, now investment, purchased investment worth rupees 15,000. Earlier it was not there, now we are going to treat it as a capital expenditure, which is a long term investment. Then postage, long term investment means we are going to take it to the asset side of balance sheet. Then postage 400 revenue expenses, electricity charges revenue expenditure, upkeep of the ground, revenue expenditure. For maintenance of the ground, 6,500 we have spent. That is maintenance expenses, means revenue expenses. Then balance carried down 19,500. It is cash closing balance, which we are showing in the closing balance sheet. 31/3/2018. Got this? Okay. So now I'll go for the adjustments. What is the first adjustment? Okay, this year also some outstanding subscription. Current year subscription outstanding. What we should do? Add current year subscriptions. Yes. Then outstanding salary for this year. Outstanding expenses. Outstanding salary 5,000. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? This current year outstanding add. Then half of the entrance fees are capitalized. Okay, here they are given. Entrance fees 6,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಧ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿ 20% we have to calculate. First 35,000 full 20% and on 18,000 20% for 6 months. Okay, I will show it in the calculation part. So with this information, they told us to prepare what? Income and expenditure account for the year 1/3/2018 and the balance sheet as on that date. As usual, we have to show and prepare these two accounts. And next part will be mine. Yes. Let me start solution here for the problem what I just discussed with you. Okay, so I have drawn the accounts and just I'll name it them here. Income and expenditure account for the year ending 31/3/18. Debit, credit. Debit here. ಇದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್. And here rupees. Incomes. Rupees. Then comes here balance sheet as on 31/3/18. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದರೆ ಬೆಟ್ರ್. ದೆನ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ rupees, assets rupees. Yes, account is ready. Then I refer first opening balance sheet. Liability side, outstanding salary and pre-received subscriptions are given, which I will show in the income and expenditure account adjustment. So the remaining is capital fund. Capital fund, write it in the inner column. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 1,50,500. 1,50,500. Then asset side, cash in hand is given, so that we are not taking here, only closing cash in hand will take. Then sports material. Sports materials we have, and two adjustments are there related to this. That's why write in the inner column. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್. ನೋ. 21,000 ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀರಿ. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್. Land and buildings. And what is the worth of that? 90,000. 90,000 worth land and building. So the opening balance sheet, these are the things what we are going to copy, and two adjustment related to expenditure and income we take while writing those. Now receipt and payment account directly first receipt side. First is given subscriptions. And this subscriptions has two adjustment. 52,000 first February. Then current year balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಪ್ರೀ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ 2017 ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್. ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4,000. ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 56,000. ಪ್ರೀ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಪ್ರೀ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ದು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ income we received in previous year. Like that we have to interpret it. Yes. So this over. Then comes entrance fees. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Really entrance fees. And what is adjustment regarding that? Half of the entrance fees are capitalized. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6,000 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ less 50% capitalized. 3,000, then 3,000 revenue and 3,000 here. Add 50% entrance fees. 3,000. Okay, still we have to add so many things. Don't close it. So entrance fees over. Then sale of old newspaper is the revenue. Old newspaper 3,000. Okay, then sports fees collected 9,500. Yes. So receipt side ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ is salary. Salary given is 25,000 and previous adjustment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಇತ್ತು ಲೆಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 7,000. Then right here 18,000 in the inner column ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ 18,000. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ purchase of sports material 18,000 and total 53,000 in the inner column because depreciation is there. Then investment, it is an asset. Investment 15,000. Okay. Then postage. Postage worth 400. Then electricity charges 1,600. Upkeep of ground 6,500. Right. Then cash closing balance, right, otherwise we'll forget. Cash in hand ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 19,500. Yes. Next adjustment. Outstanding subscription for this year. Add outstanding subscription for current year 1000 and total became 57,000. 57 outstanding subscription for 2018 current year. So ಇದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ outstanding subscriptions 1000. So first adjustment over. Then second adjustment, outstanding salary this year. Okay. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5000. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ 23,000. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ? liability side. Leave 2-3 lines right here. Outstanding salary 5,000. Yes. Then third adjustment, already we have shown it. Half of the entrance fees are to be capitalized. So already we have shown it. 50% here, 50% here. Okay. Then comes depreciation on sports material. See, less depreciation. ಇದರ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 35,000 ಇಂಟು 20% ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 18,000 ಇಂಟು 20% ಇಂಟು 6/12. ಎಸ್, ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್, ಇದು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. 2 ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ 35% ಆನ್ 20% ಆನ್ 35,000 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ? 0 0 0 7,000. ಇದು 0 ಹೋಯಿತು, 2 0 ಹೋಯಿತು, 1 2 2 2 ಹೋಯಿತು. ಸೊ 1,800. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಯು ಡೂ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್. ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 2. ವೈ ಇಸ್ 2? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ 1/10/17 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1/10/17ಇಂದ 6 ಮಂತನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? 35,000 ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 7,000 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ವಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ಡ್ 18,000 ವರ್ತ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 6 ಮಂತ್. ಸೊ 1,800 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 8,800. 8,800. ಇದು ಬ್ರಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೋದು ಬೇರೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್? 200. 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 13 9 4 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 44,200. ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ book value of the sports material is 44,200. Yes, got this? See, all the adjustments are done and all the transactions have been entered. Now final step, you have to find out the surplus or deficit, and here surplus is there. 72,500. One more time I will confirm. 5 5 7 3 10 13 9 22 22. 72,500. And here I will show working note 72,500 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆಷ್ಟದೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ 6 4 10 15 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 4 5 11 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 31 ಸೊ 0 0 0 1 7 3 4 41,000. So just I will verify once again. I am getting doubt. See this 8,800 depreciation. I have not written here, right? Depreciation on sports material. 8,800. So 8,800 ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು 8 ಇದು 13 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 9 40,300 ಅಂದರೆ 200 32,200. I'll show here working note. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ 72,500 ಮೈನಸ್ 40,300. ಸೊ 5 3 2 2 3 32,200. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32,200 ಏನಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ over expenses. Okay, so this is our answer. ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32,200 2 ಇದು 7 ಆಮೇಲೆ 4 3 2 5 ಆಮೇಲೆ 5 3 8 1,85,700 1,85,700. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 5,000 ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 1,90,700 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 2 5 7 4 5 10 19 20 2 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, ದೆನ್ 6 8 18 18 19 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 18 19 1,90,000. Note. Correct, no? Both the total of liabilities and assets tallied. It means our problem is correct. Okay, so hope you are following and writing in your book neatly. Then if you have got any doubt, ask, and with this I will send you one practice problem which you do in your book as a 4th one. Yes, see, neatly write. My handwriting is not neat here, but you write neatly in your notebook. Okay, so with this today I conclude the class, and in the next class I take the next type of problem. Okay, one by one we'll solve the problems, and you have to make perfect solutions. You have to learn it, as 112 marks is compulsory in the exam. Okay, so till my next class, take care, stay home and stay safe.